I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to connect a new device to Spectrum Mobile, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Access your Spectrum account. Log into your Spectrum account using the Spectrum app or the website. This is where you allow manage your devices and services. Step 2. Navigate to Device Management. Once logged in, find the Device Management section. This is typically located in the main menu or under the Services tab. Step 3. Add a new device. In the Device Management section, look for an option to add a new device. Click on this to start the process of connecting your new device. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Complete the setup. After entering all necessary information, confirm the setup. You may need to restart your device for changes to take effect. If you see a message about network settings, follow the prompts to adjust them. Remember, if you encounter any issues, checking the network settings can often resolve connectivity problems. Happy connecting!